Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Nafis Sami, lecturer of Islamia College. Firstly, I'm saying sorry to you because I'm going to upload a very short video because there has been a sudden internet problem in my device. So please, you just keep an eye in my YouTube channel. I will upload more and more videos regarding your text. Okay, today I'm going to concentrate on Unit 5, Lesson 1, Food Adulteration Reaches New Height. Food adulteration is a legal term which referred to the rotten food, which referred to the poisonous food, which is referred to the rotten food, which is referred to the poisonous food. In Bangladesh, actually, food adulteration is happening at an alarming rate. It is happening in day by day. It is getting increased day by day. It is a publication. It is an publication. It is published in a Dhaka Daily, and there has been a recent survey. Recent means current. Very currently current. Survey means investigation, inspection. There has been a recent investigation did by two institutions of Bangladesh, that is National Food Safety Laboratory, and they did it with the help of or with the support from another organization that is called the Food and Agriculture Organization. Actually, some food items like vegetables, fruits are taken from markets like Gulshan, Karan Bazar, Mohakhali of Dhaka, and they were taken to this laboratory. And in this laboratory, these food items are tested, and from the test, this team had came up with or came to the point or concluded that these food are actually not safe. They got some finding. What are the findings? The findings are that these foods contain unsafe level of pesticides. That means these foods are contain some type of formalins, some type of chemicals which are not safe for the people, for the health of the people. And actually this team, there were 15 people who did this investigation, and they are belonging to these two organizations. And a copy of this survey report was acquired by the Dhaka Tribune. Dhaka Tribune is an English daily of Dhaka. Acquired means adopted. Acquired means acquired means obtained. Dhaka Tribune, I can say that Dhaka Tribune obtained a copy of the survey report, and from that copy of survey report we can come to know that actually this team had tested 82 samples of milk products, fish, fruits, vegetables, and they found that 40% of these 82 samples of milk products, fish, fruits, vegetables contain banned pesticides. Banned here is a past participle. Banned means which is forbidden, which are not allowed to be used in Bangladesh. This type of banned pesticide like DDT, aldrin, chlorine, heptachlor are used in these foods. European Union, which is an international organization, it had set some limits to the uses of this type of pesticide in the foods. But in Bangladesh, it is not maintained. In Bangladesh, these chemicals are used 3 to 20 times greater than the limit set by the European Union. And if we talk about the spices which are frequently used in the cooking of Bangladeshi people, then it is not also forbidden. It is also contaminated with unsafe level of pesticide. We can talk about the turmeric powder. 30 samples of turmeric powder are taken from the shops, and they were tested, and the team found that 30% of these 30 samples of turmeric powder contain traces of lead chromate. Chromate is also very harmful pesticide, and this chromate is very much fatal. Fatal means very much injurious if solid means if we just eat it, or inhale if we just breathe in it. If we just breathe in it or eat it, it will be very harmful. This chromate is very harmful. There is another organization in Bangladesh Standard Testing Institute. It had also set some limits to the uses of this kind of pesticide, that is 2.5 parts per million. But in Bangladesh, it is not maintained. In Bangladesh, these type of chemicals are used 20 to 50 times above the safety limit of 2.5 parts per million set by the Bangladesh Standard Testing Institute, that is BSTI. Even in the rice is also not safe. Arsenic, chromium like chemicals are used very not at a safety level. Then there are 60 samples of food which are tested under the method of high performance liquid chromatography, that is called HPLC, because this in these 66 samples of food there was the presence of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is very injurious to health, is very harmful for health. So in Bangladesh, the food adulteration is happening at an alarming rate. If we talk about the poultry feed, then the chicken, fish, they are also contaminated with pesticide. Then pasteurized milk. Pasteurized milk means the milk which are very safe. We think the milk which are very safe to drink, which we just buy, but this pasteurized milk are not safe because of the poor procedure by the manufacturers. This pasteurized milk contains some microbial populations. Microbial populations means some onujib. Then if we talk about the sample of cucumbers, if we talk about the street food, these are not also safe because of the contamination of the water supply. Because of the contamination in the water supply, contaminated water. Then director of Institute of Public Health is in such an institution which deals with the awareness of the public health. It is the director described it's very alarming for us, and the report has been submitted to the health ministry. Then the former director of FAO expressed that it is very shocking for the whole nation, and he also expressed that the food should be he also explained that the investigation will be focused not only on the end products means the product just we buy from the food, but also from at the root level. Actually farmer produces the food, through the transportation from the farmers, they are taken to the wholesale where all the foods are gathered, and from the wholesale it is taken to the retail trader from whom we buy the foods. Actually all these steps will be investigated, will be monitored and supervised. Monitored means observation, supervised means a good management. These are needed. And adulterated foods are not safe for our health. And along with the Ministry of Food, other ministries related to this Ministry of Food are collaborated, are helping to handle this situation. They are trying to enforce Food Safety Act. Okay, my dear students, you just keep an eye in my channel. I will upload I will upload a lecture on information transfer related to this test. Thank you very much.